Усім привіт! Рада вас бачити на своєму каналі. І сьогодні ми будемо читати діалог. Діалог буде про їжу, де багато цікавих слів. І давайте я спочатку їх зачитаю, для того, щоб одразу знати, що вони означають. To roast – запікати, жарити. Turkey – індичка. Potatoes – картопля. Poultry – домашня птиця. A picky eater – вибагливий у їжі. A starter – перша страва. Cucumber – огірок, seasoning – приправа і dressing – соус або гарнір. І розпочнемо ми сам діалог. Я буду Mary, ти будеш Peter. І там, що буде офіціант, то я буду офіціантом. А потім, коли ми прочитаємо діалог, ми його прочитаємо ще раз, тільки поміняємось місцями. I was thinking about cooking something special tonight. What do you think about it, Pete? How about roast turkey with potatoes? You seem to be a picky eater. Then, what do you like or what are you used to eating? So, what do you mean? Do you want to say you don't like any kind of meat? How about seasonal salads? For example, in summer I like fresh tomato and cucumber salad with onions, various herbs and seasonings. Oh well, since it's winter and I don't have any fresh vegetables, I suggest we eat out tonight. What do you say? Sounds good. Let's do that. 2 hours later. Good evening, madam. May I take your order? Yes, I would like pasta with grilled salmon and a portion of green salad with Italian dressing. Anything to drink? A glass of white wine, please. And you, sir, are you ready to order? You mean the green salad with Italian dressing? Anything to drink, sir? You seem to be a fan of healthy lifestyle. One hour later. Would you like to try our desserts? With pleasure. I'd like to try a cinnamon cake with Irish cream. How about you, sir? Half an hour later. What did you think of the restaurant's cuisine? Yes, I will. I've never tried zucchini dishes before. I also liked my pasta with grilled salmon. The chef must be a real professional. Yes, undoubtedly. We should come here more often. Тепер ти Mary and waiter, а я Peter. І починаємо. Sounds good. Let's do that. Potatoes are fine, but I really don't like eating any poultry. I am picky indeed. My mom always said that too. When I was a child, it was hard to cook something to my taste. Things haven't changed much since then. I used to like only sweets and ice cream. Each time we had a family meal with starters and main courses, I would simply hide somewhere not to eat it. I really don't. Gradually, I understood that being a vegetarian suits me best. I prefer fruit and vegetables. I especially like dishes from pumpkin or zucchini. Fruit salad are fine for me too. Yes, Me too. I definitely like garden fresh salads. I don't like seasonings though. Great idea! I know one good restaurant nearby where they offer two separate menus. One is specially designed for vegetarians. 2 hours later. Yes, I would like a portion of zucchini soup to start with and the same salad my girlfriend has ordered. Yes, but only without any spices or dressings, please. A glass of mineral water, please. I am indeed, but more of a healthy eating as I don't do any sports or physical exercises. 1 hour later. I'll have a fruit salad with yogurt. Half an hour later. I really liked it. My soup was delicious. You should also try it sometimes. The desserts were also amazing. На цьому ми закінчили читання нашого діалогу. Перекладати не будемо, просто давайте зачитаємо ще слова, які ви могли не знати. To roast – запікати, жарити. Turkey – індичка. Potatoes – картопля. Poultry – домашня птиця. A picky eater – вибагливий у їжі. A starter – перша страва. Cucumber – огірок. Seasoning – приправа. Dressing – соус, гарнір. І давайте ще повторимо деякі слова. Можливо, ми сумніваємося, як воно вимовляється. От я сумнівалася. Да. І я там прочитала, взяла, забула. І знову ще перевіряла. Значить, шеф. Так і читається шеф.
Chef.
Угу. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Десерти.
Desserts.
Desserts. І меню в множині. Menus. На цьому все. Сподіваюся, вам це відео було корисне. Ставте вподобайки і підписуйтеся на мій YouTube канал. Бажаю вам всього найкращого.